The Korean War Veterans Memorial is a hidden gem on the National Mall. Just a few steps southeast of the Lincoln Memorial, it is one of our favorite memorials in Washington, D.C. You'll see 19 statues through the trees walking in a wedge formation. To visit the memorial, walk the perimeter of the triangle. As you walk straight in, first there will be a low-lying wall on your left. This lists the 22 United Nations countries who provided combat troops, medics, aid, and supplies. At the point of the triangle, there is a reflecting pool honoring the casualties of the Korean War and reminding us that freedom is not free. The memorial is dedicated to those who served in the Korean War, lasting from 1950 to 1953. You'll then walk down the black granite wall. You'll see photographs etched into the wall. These are images of real veterans of the Korean War, from paratroopers to military police, and if you look hard enough at the very end, a German Shepherd. You'll also see the reflection of those 19 statues. All told, it looks as if 38 men are walking through the fields, representing the 38 months of fighting and the 38th parallel that still separates North and South Korea. To explore the Korean War Veterans Memorial on a guided tour, you can take our National Mall or all-in-one walking tours. For more information, visit our website at www.freetoursbyfoot.com.